Welcome to the new EMP Messaging Feature, a built-in communication tool that allows all EMP users to connect directly inside the app. Whether you're a merchandiser, manager, or admin, this feature simplifies communication, reduces delays, and keeps all your work-related messages in one place. From your main dashboard, you'll find the messaging icon located in your bottom navigation bar. This is your central hub for all conversations inside EMP. When you're ready to view your conversations or start a new one, simply tap the messaging icon. This opens your messages screen where all chats and channels are organized. To create a new message, tap the plus sign. This opens the full list of EMP users connected to your organization, or you can quickly find anyone by typing their name in the search bar. This makes it easy to reach managers, merchandisers, or team members you want to message. In this list, you'll also see each user's role, such as service rep or territory manager, along with their status. A green dot indicates that the user is currently online and available. To begin chatting, simply tap the person you want to message. This takes you directly into the conversation window. Inside the messages screen, you'll notice two main sections, chats and channels. Chats are designed for one-on-one communication, while channels are ideal for groups and team updates. When creating a channel, managers also have the option to set it as read only. This allows important information to be shared with the team without the conversation being cluttered by replies. When creating a channel, managers and authorized users have the option to enable read-only mode. What this means, only managers or designated users can post messages. Team members can view messages but cannot reply, ideal for announcements, updates, and important instructions. When there are unread messages, a red notification dot will appear next to the messaging icon so you can easily spot new activity. And if you're not inside the app when a message is sent, you'll receive a phone notification to make sure you never miss an important update. Now let's return to the Chats tab so we can enter a conversation and explore how messages are sent and displayed. Inside personal messages, you can also send images or take a photo directly using your camera and send it instantly. The latest EMP update has officially launched, and it includes two new improvements for viewing images inside the app. You can now rotate photos for better clarity, especially when images are captured sideways. We've also added pinch to zoom, giving you the ability to zoom in and review details more accurately. These enhancements are now live and ready to use, making photo review faster and more convenient for all users. This is what the messaging screen looks like on the EMP web interface. Your conversations appear on the left side, showing all active chats and channels. When you select a conversation, the full message thread opens on the right. Here, you can read previous messages, send new ones, and keep track of all communication in one place. The web version also mirrors your mobile messages, so anything sent or received on your phone will appear here as well. This makes it easy for managers and staff to stay updated whether they're working from their computer or mobile device. Here's the EMP web interface for messaging. To add members to a channel, simply click Edit User List. This will reveal a search bar where you can look for people you want to include in the channel. Channels in EMP are designed to support structured and organized team communication. Role permissions: only managers and users with higher roles can create channels, add or manage channel members. This ensures that channels remain organized and are used appropriately for team communication. Select members, and once you're done, click Save. The selected users will be added automatically, and you can now start sending messages through that channel. And that wraps up our overview of the EMP messaging feature. With direct chats, channel communication, and easy member management through the web, teams can now stay connected and collaborate more efficiently than ever. We're continuing to improve this feature, so stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for using EMP.